Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything about the ghost paper and grow garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the ghost paper looks like, and if you want to get this seed, you need to buy the Zenith seed pack, and you can buy the Zenith seed pack right here. Okay, you can also complete the season pass and you will be able to claim the Zenith seed pack. And from the Zenith seed pack, you will be able to get the ghost paper. You will have chance or possibility to get the seed. And if you complete level 44, you will also get the ghost pepper seed. And I have already planted this plant on my garden, and this is how the ghost pepper seed looks like. Okay, and oops, I accidentally give the ghost pepper to my pet. No worries, I'm going to collect it again, but it already has mutation, and then I'm going to see the value, but it's already with the Winstruck mutation. I'm going to show you, and yeah, the base value is around 100k shekels, and I think it's really worth to keep it on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the ghost pepper seed in grow garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.